everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a wonderful Kerala special snack recipe. This is called Kalathappam. It's a very tasty snack and I'm going to show you how you can make this in very simple and easy steps. Let's get started and check it out. Here are the list of ingredients to make this recipe. Soak 1 cup of raw rice for about 5 hours. After 5 hours, transfer the soaked rice to the mixer jar. Adding 1/4 cup of cooked rice, you can use whatever rice you cook at home, a 1/4 cup of that freshly grated coconut, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, pour a little water and blend everything to a nice smooth batter. Once done, transfer the batter to a bowl. To a saucepan, add 1 cup of jaggery. I'm using powdered jaggery to use the melting process. Add half cup of water and let the jaggery dissolve completely and boil for a few minutes. Turn off the heat and set this aside to cool. To a pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add chopped coconut bits and roast them until they turn to a lovely golden brown color. Once done, transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. Let us mix the jaggery syrup to the rice batter. Do not mix the jaggery syrup while it's still very hot. Let it cool down and come to room temperature before adding it to the batter. The consistency of the batter should be a nice pouring consistency. It should not be thick. Add less than a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and 1/4 teaspoon of cooking soda and mix everything well. Finally, add the roasted coconut bits and mix again. The Kalathappam batter is ready. We can start making the Kalathappams after 5 minutes. Heat a deep kadai. Just add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Keeping the flame on low, pour 1 1/4 ladle of the batter into the kadai. Close the kadai immediately and let it cook for about 5 minutes on medium-low flame. After 5 minutes, open the kadai. The Kalathappam is cooked beautifully on one side, puffed up and golden. Flip it gently to the other side and just cook for a few seconds. It has cooked beautifully on both sides. Remove from the kadai and place it on a plate. We've made this Kerala style Kalathappam which is soft, spongy and it's bursting with flavors. Make sure to serve it nice and warm to enjoy the authentic taste of Kerala in every bite. Tasty and delicious Kalathappam is come out so beautifully. It's so soft and spongy. I can't wait to try it. The flavors are just incredible, spot on. It's got a very nice mild sweetness with the flavors of coconut and jaggery. Fantastic, just extremely good. I'm really enjoying this right now. Superb. I absolutely loved it. So make sure you follow all the steps to get it perfectly, and it's a great snack that you can enjoy during the evenings. Make sure you make it nice and hot and serve it immediately. Do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.